Hello guys, this is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. Friends, today I came with one of the very interesting trick, and this will be very helpful for the people who works on computer like your desktop or laptop, any of the device as well as mobile. Okay, so what exactly this particular tricks does, but before that let me tell you, if you are getting lots of work pressure, okay, then this trick is going to help you a lot, because with the help of this trick, whenever your boss or team lead put you more pressure on you to complete one of the tasks on time, then at that particular moment you can visit this particular website and choose one of the theme as per your operating system, like Windows 7, 8, 10, Linux as well as Macs. Choose your theme as per your operating system and it will show the status that your Windows is updating. And you know that Windows update may take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes as well as 1 hour also in some cases. So till then you can relax yourself. So how exactly you can use this particular trick? So for this you will have to visit one website, that is fakeupdate.net. Once you visit there, just select the theme as per your operating system, and once you select the theme, the image will get loaded, and then you just have to press F11 so that it will get full screen. So and after that, whoever is going to watch your screen, he will really feel that your system is getting up to date or updated. Similarly, you can show one of the BSOD error also, that is blue dump, which means your system is not functional. That you can do it just by pressing backspace. And if you think that you would like to exit from this particular theme, then you just have to press the escape button, and that's it. Now guys, I really hope that this particular theme will really help you, and if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click on the red subscribe button as well as enable the bell icon, so that whenever I'll upload new video, you will be very first to notify. So that's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out.